floor again. Today we're going to do something different. We're going to play with these bad boys. So I've already took them out the packet. That's what the packet looks like, in case you wanted to know. These are the FR Ice Blades. And today, there's a few of us that are going to try them out at an ice rink. I've actually tried these before. I had a set last year, around about Christmas time, when me and the London Skate Life gang went out for like a work, day out for Christmas. We went to the ice skating in Canary Wharf and I tried them out and they were absolutely fantastic straight out the box. I was a little bit worried that I needed to sharpen them, but no, straight out the box they were absolutely fantastic. You can see they've got that little kind of banana shape there. I think FR's idea with this was so that you could slalom on ice. There's quite a few of us going tonight, so we'll have a bit of a laugh, have some fun, film it and see how we get on. But at the moment I just thought I would show you how to put them on. So we've got these magnets and they are going to be the spacers that hold the blade in between the little axles here on a standard 80 frame. There's quite a few frames that this will actually work on, but basically the safe bet is just to go for an 80mm frame. I don't think it works on the 90mm frame, but rockered or standard 80mm frames, you'll have no problems at all. I have my frame. And I have my blade. Look at that. I went for the biggest one. There was only 2 available. I didn't really look into what sizes you could get at the time. You can see this one is 305. I just went for the biggest one out of the 2 that were available, and I got either the ones that were slightly smaller. I guess they're more stable if they're longer and easier to turn if they're shorter, just like most other things. So yeah, let's put them on, shall we? First of all, you want to put your magnets either side. So you take this little lip on the inside there and put it through the hole like that, and it'll just stick. And then the same at the other end. Nice and easy. 1, 2, 1, 2. So now this is all the spacers are on. I just want to place it over, and I'm going to use that singular one there. This is going to be the one that I start with. This is just a singular hole. The rest of them have like a long line, but this one has just one singular hole. So that's going to be the one that we use to start. So, run. Put that one in. Next, what you'll need is your axles, and of course your sonic Allen key. Push that through, make it nice and straight for the axle to go through. Then you go. Get that on. I won't tighten it all the way yet, just so that I can move it freely. It's a bit easier. To be honest, it will always move, even if that's really tight. Okay. Next, I just want to move these axles. Just want to move the spacers. Let's just use the camera. We just move the spacers along so that it's in line with the hole, so you can see through. Hello. Same with the other side. Just move it so it's in line. Go, and then if we can get our tool through there, and then our axle. Make sure the back one's in line. Lovely. Tighten it up. Now I bet you can guess what I'm going to do with the front and back. Yeah, the exact same. So this is a UFS frame. frame, so I'll be using them on my UFR skates. We're gonna not put them on yet because I'm going to skate to the ice rink. So we'll skate there and we'll start ice skating. Let's go!
Changing your wheels?
Now I'm changing my frames.
Whoa! The like Patrick skate, it's beautiful.
But I will do it.
Transition.
No, change like
Look at that, that's lovely, isn't it?
Think of something else, okay?
You putting on your blades? Deanna's got blades. Hello.
Oh,